Go this way. What's this, Chi-Chi? We'll go under the big tree. It's a beautiful churchyard. Nice path all the way around it. It's very peaceful. Just sort of get away from all the traffic here. It just goes really quiet. Spirit, come here. He's mousing. Come on. Stop mousing. Good boy. Let's go down here a bit. Chief, want to get out? Chief, want to get out and find the mices? Hey? Good boy, Spirit. Like you've seen. We could sit here, couldn't we? Where we sat at our breakfast under that tree the other day. A while ago now. Go up round to the church and go around that. We just found a bench around the side of the church. Got teddy bears and that on. But I should come round here. So it's nice and quiet. Got the main road there. Chief might come out. You come out, Chi-Chi, and have a little look. Good girl, Chi-Chi. Come on then. Good girl, good boy. You see, that road's quite busy, but when you're down there, you don't hear any of it. It's just so peaceful. It's really nice. Good boy, good girl. Chief coming out. Come on in, darling. Up, Chi-Chi. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Chi-Chi. Have a little look. Oh, good girl. Come and see. Good girl. And do your wee-wees and everything. And find the mices. Good boy, good girl. And do your wee-wees. It's a tree, isn't it? Good girl, good boy. The babies. Some time here, a bit of fresh air out. That size of that tree. What's that, Chief? Is that a tree? Good boy, Spirit. Good boy. Okay. Good boy, good girl. Back to the van then. Chief, Spirit, back to the van, good babies. This way. This side, Spirit, Spirit. Good boy. Spirit, this way. Good girl, Chief. Good girl, good boy. Good girl, back to the van then. Back to the van. Good girl, good boy. Good girl, good boy. Good boy, Spirit. Good girl, good boy. Spirit taking the lead, isn't he? He's a good boy. Good girl, good boy. Getting some exercise. He actually was walking up the top path. While Mischief was still riding, he actually, good boy, got in the top path. Was walking down the main road. Good girl, Chief. Through here. Up to date. We went round the wheel. Tangled. Wait a minute. Wait, tangled. Got too many times round the wheel. Oh, doing me. And again. Didn't see that, did we? Good girl, good boy. Sit still. Wait. Good girl, good boy. She rides through this bit. Good babies. Wait. And ready and over. Quick, over. Oh, you walking, G? Homeward stretch now. You walking? She goes. Good girl. Good girl, Chi. Go back to land and get some dinner. Good girl, good boy. Good boy, Spirit. You worn yourself out, haven't you? All that walking. Good girl, Chief. And we're back. Just put them back in, just to unlock all the doors. Put the pushchair in. Oh, you worn out, my darling. You've got my parcel. Oh, you worn out, Spirit. All that walking, aren't you? Good boy. She's gone straight to bed as well. They're both knackered. We'll take your bells off a bit, a bit of a rest properly. Yeah, we'll take it off properly for you. Hey. You can put it back on later if you want to go back out. Alright. Oh, she's worn out after that long walk. And who's worn out down here? Spirit, no? What are you doing? You want to go out again? You come back up here. Come on. Have a rest. And do wee wees. You asking to go out? I've just let Chief off the lead. Come on, stay in. In. Oh, lie down in bed. Go to bed. Go on, you've got a little tray in here. Good boy, go to bed. Good boy. Go lie down. There you go, he's going to settle down now and have a sleep. I'll take your bells off. I've just discovered what it used to be. TNT. It's all orange underneath. Next TNT lorry base. I'm just looking to see if I've got space to carry it under here. Which I have. Hello, everybody's watching me being nosy, aren't you? Right, I know what I'm doing with that. So we're just another walk around the block, a different direction this time. I found that Mischief actually started growling where she'd normally walk up in our neighbourhood, which would explain why she doesn't go that way anymore and she stays close to the van. So something's obviously upset her locally. So what we did, we let her decide which way to go. And she actually went down past the shops and then she jumped in, so we're just walking them back around in a clockwise direction. Yeah, so just getting my stretch of her legs just very, very slowly and letting them get used to just jumping in as they're doing now. Look, I'm just going for a ride. So they get used to when I'm walking, then they jump in out the way and safely. And then obviously when they're nearer the van, they'll probably jump out and have a little walk, and or if they find an area that they're happy to get out, they will do so. But it's just teaching them that the pram is safe and they're okay, and I've got them. That's important. As you can see, they're both cuddled up in there at the moment. And I'm just going to stretch my legs and walk back around just around the block. You see Spirits is popping his head up to check where we are. It's cute when they're sitting inside it, look, and just put their front feet over the top. And just sort of seeing what the situation's like. Then he recognises it all, feels confident, he'll jump out, we'll sit up on this bit here, you see where he's going. Good boy, aren't you? Good boy. Going down a street a bit further over, which we don't go down very often. You can see Spirits up and having a good old nose. So they know where they are now. There's the shops and we're just coming around near the corner. So they're both out to take me home. Good girl, good boy. That's what we want to see. We want to see them walking back to the van nicely together. Good girl, good boy. Nice and steady. Good girl, good boy. Taking in turns to take the lead. Wait, Spirit. Good boy, stay on the path. Wait. Get on. No, no, get on. This way, Spirit. Well, we're going to go over here. Hold on then. And we're back at the van. So I'm going to take your needs off. Wait. So I'm taking them off. Take your bells off. Wait. 1, 2. Take spirits off. Wait a minute. 1, 2. Take your bells off. Good girl, good boy. Are we ready? Open the door. We're ready. In you go then. In you go, Spirit. Spirit. In you go. You're going in. You're a good boy. Up in then. You're going with the pram. You expect me to lift him in with the pram, aren't you? Am I lifting you up with the pram? You going in with the pram? Are you? I can't do it holding the camera, can I? I can't do it holding the camera as well. Hang on a minute. In you go. Oh, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Oh, but easy. And he's in. There you go. All right, babies. Good boy. Good boy walking. Good boy. Yes, you enjoy the walk. Good boy. Well done. Right, bungalow spring clean part 1 has started. As you can see, all the wood and bits for the build are in here. Started bringing some stock in over there. Bedroom is full, we've got to sort that out. But the kitchen was also full. So this is from many years of collection. I have junk floor to ceiling in that corner, and I had a floor full of stuff as well. So I've just put all that in the shed. I've locked the shed up now, but the shed is full of organised chaos. It's all in piles to sort out, so I find everything. I've just got the bits on the sides now to sort out. I'm putting cupboards, because I don't use my cupboards. So I'm going to organise the cupboards, put the bits in the cupboards, and get all this stuff off this top. I've just had to sort of clean this down. So we're getting there, innit, eh? This will now mean I'll be able to get my exercise row machine onto this floor when I've bleached it all down and got this place clean. Which means I have something to get fit with. This was painted. I actually paid somebody to paint this. They nicked my tools and left it in a mess. So this hasn't really been touched for, I don't know, 5 years now. It's absolutely filthy. So it needs a good old painting party. But like I said, I've just got to sort through things. I've been sorting through things that haven't even been touched since I had Destiny. Now I know that's a mess, but obviously that's the build stuff. Or the wood. That's all going to be built into Hope. The pram has to live in the bathroom. But you know, that's fine, we can get that when I need a shower and everything. And my bedroom is organised chaos, so excuse the mess, but it's actually tidy. So well done for myself this morning. We're getting there. Right, as you can see, I've carried on with the sides today, and I'm just giving the floor a good bleaching, washing all the fly muck falls. I've got to take that fly catcher down a bit. You can see everything's ruined, the blinds absolutely done in. Got to get that stuff off the top of the fridge and bring that in the shed. But yeah, it's just slowly. I work my way through, but I put everything in the cupboards. It's going to take some time and patience, but getting it clear and movable is a good start anyway.